Welcome to Prime Slider. In this video, we're showcasing the powerful Custom CSS and JS feature in version 4.0. It lets you add your own styling and scripts directly inside the plugin, perfect for customizing any slider without editing theme files or using extra plugins. It streamlines your workflow, gives you complete creative control, and keeps your changes safe during updates. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. To get started, open your WordPress dashboard and look for the Prime Slider tab in the sidebar. Once you click it, you'll be taken straight to the redesigned Prime Slider dashboard, where everything is organized for a smoother and more intuitive workflow. From here, move to the Extra Options section. This area includes advanced customization tools, including a feature called Custom CSS and JS, which gives you complete control over how your sliders and overall site behave. Inside the Custom CSS and JS panel, you'll find dedicated spaces that let you insert code in the header, in the footer, and even choose where that code should or shouldn't appear. Each section is designed to give you flexibility without requiring theme edits or additional plugins. The first area you'll encounter is the Header Code Injection panel. This space allows you to add custom styling or scripts directly into the head section of your site. Because the head loads early, anything you place here is ideal for global design adjustments or scripts that need to initialize as the page loads. You'll see two input fields, one for CSS and one for JavaScript. Any code added here will automatically apply across your entire site, making it an effective way to introduce consistent styling or essential scripts. For example, if you want to adjust the overall look of your site by changing the background color, you can type your CSS code into the CSS input box, then save your changes. Once you refresh your web page, the new background color will appear immediately. This approach allows you to make design updates quickly while keeping your theme files completely untouched. It's a clean, simple, and dependable way to control how your site looks and feels. As you scroll down, you'll find the Footer Code Injection area. This panel works similarly to the header section, but loads your custom code at the very end of the page. This placement is beneficial for scripts that don't need to run right away or may benefit from the page loading first. You'll again see separate fields for CSS and JavaScript, giving you the freedom to choose what type of code you want to add. Imagine you want to display a friendly message for your visitors when they open your site. You can place a small JavaScript snippet into the footer's JS box, save your changes, and then visit your site to see the message appear exactly as intended. This type of customization can help you create a more personal or interactive experience without any complicated setup. Toward the bottom of the page, you'll find the Page and Post Exclusion settings. This tool lets you control where your custom code should take effect. Not every script or style is meant for every page, and this setting gives you the ability to fine-tune where things appear. If you want a particular script or design tweak to skip a specific page or post, all you need to do is select it from the exclusion list and save your changes. For example, you previously added a background color and a welcome message, but don't want them to appear on a particular page. In that case, you can exclude that page and reload it to restore the original design. This gives you precise control over your customizations without the hassle of removing or rewriting code. This feature gives you a simple yet powerful way to enhance your website without editing theme files or hiring a developer. Whether you're adjusting the design or adding dynamic behavior, Prime Slider makes everything smooth, safe, and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay up to date on the latest features and tools. Thanks for watching.